So, young lady, when you're ready to start?
Well, no time like the present. I would wait until you turned your back before I threw shade on you for asking me such a dumbass question, but it's okay. It's all right. I'm just gonna ignore you. Just a bunch of zeros and ones anyway. Straight up stressing me out, too.
I'm trying to be hospitable. Let me ask you a question. How would your constituents feel if they knew you're squeaky clean? Wannabe audacity of Hope ass took money from Martin Proctor to fund your re-election campaign. The same Martin Proctor that's poisoned, kidnapped, and killed Freeland's black kids.
We see the body.
His SUV was blown to hell and back, Jeff. We're trying to collect DNA. I wouldn't get your hopes up. Eyewitnesses confirmed no one got out of the SUV before it exploded.
Okay. I'll be damned. She did it.
Stayed up working on it all night. He's gone. What do you mean gone? Well, he was attacked by some gunmen and he didn't make it. I only came up with one name. You. I found this.
What are you doing? Why do you have Gambi's pocket watch?
I thought he'd want you to have it, considering...
Take it back.
What?
This is Gambi's. It's his. It belongs at his house. You had no right to take it.
Jefferson.
You need me to give you a ride home?
No, I'm waiting for Henderson.
Bringing a cop to my bar, man?
No, I'm bringing my friend.
He's still a cop.
Everything for the city, man. The blood, my sweat, my tears. It just takes. It just takes. It takes. It takes. It takes.
Hey, did you hear about that boy jumping out that body bag? That's crazy, right?
Anybody see the old man get out of the SUV?
Yeah, everybody saw what went down. The old man didn't stand a chance. It's a messed up way to go out. Burning up in a car like that.
I heard about your Uncle Gambi. I just wanted to make sure that you were okay.
Look, I really appreciate you checking on me, but you gotta go.
Okay. But look, if you need anything, just call me.
Well, go. Go home. Get some rest. I'll lock up.
Survive in action would have killed them all. You should be proud of yourself. You're a hero.
Security, take her out of here and take whatever you dragged her from.
Congratulations, we saved 14 lives, bitch.
Step out of the car.
You know what?